What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video by me, Awesome Sick Boy. And yeah, it's been a really long time since I've made another video. It's like a week and a half. Yeah. And happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So, yeah. So today we are gonna make a comic book and like with the pages and stuff. Yeah. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the like button. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bells and so you can know when my videos are coming out, live streams that might not happen until like I have like over 50 subs and 100 videos. So anyways, let's get into our tutorial. So first what we need to do is make the cover. I'm gonna make it 6 pages long. So let's make the outline gray. So I'll make a little circle so I know what color that is. Then we'll make the inside white. Let's make that circle. So fill is white and outline is white. Okay, I need to move this here. So the outline's gonna be this. And fill is gonna be white. So, wait, but, okay, just forget it. Yeah, just forget, alright. So, let's start off with a rectangle. So, make it like this. And after that, what you want to do is like put all you want to. I'll just put, yeah, so this can be a template of the comic book. So, the link of this project will be in the description below, and you can feel free to remix it to make your own comic. So yeah, this is gonna be a template. So text. Ooh, there's more stuff. There's even stuff that looks like Minecraft. I'm gonna do that. Wait, but size. Oh, wait. Text. When you're done with that, you can add pictures, a title. Alright. Oh no. Make that. Let's move these. Oh no. Alright. Put those there. Then when you're done, so you can put pictures. Black. Sure. Pick. Alright, now. So these two. Okay. We might as well. Wait, no. Just these. Alright, how about we take these? Then both of these, we should group them. Then bring them here. Then let's copy and then paste, and paste. Here. You can also put text. So that's the first page, but what we want to do is we want to make it look like there's other pages. So, color. So, fill. You guys can make your comic book whatever you want it to look like. And I'm just making. Wait, where did my gray go? Where did my gray? Okay, so it's. Oh no. This. I'm really messed up. Then this back. Forget it. So once you're done with that, so let's switch it back to this and this. Oh no, what did I do? How about, can this go? Okay, it can. No, I meant white. And this one is gray. There. Now what you want to do is add a rectangle. Oh, wait. Then is this 3? How did this happen? There. No, I'm pretty sure it's 5. What is... Yeah, it is. When you're done, bring it really close. Alright, there. Now it looks like it has multiple pages. Now let us copy this and paste it. Yeah, that looks good. How about make it a bit shorter? Oh no. So, oh no, it is there. How about make this a bit longer? Now it looks like it has multiple pages. Congratulations. Now, on the inside, you can delete this outside one, but then keep this away for now. So I can just delete these since anyway it's here. Alright. So now, keep this white, all white, all white. Everything white. Maybe even delete these. And after that, you can move this here. Actually, first, let's group all of these. Group there. Actually, let's delete this and duplicate again. Now let's delete. I didn't mean to do that. Alright. So do that. Okay. Maybe all of these ungroup. Duplicate this, then group all of these. You can delete these two. Take this, move this to the side, delete all of these. Now copy and paste this. Now keep this here. How about let's move this here? Yeah, quite the same. then put this here. Good, you made that. Now duplicate it, and now delete this, and duplicate this, and put whatever you want here. So congratulations, you made your own comic book. You can have more costumes like in the pages like what I did. But remember, each time you make one of these pillar things, make them small. And if you remix this, let me first delete these two. If you remix this, make sure to ungroup all these if you want to duplicate one of these. Okay? And if you don't, you're gonna have a hard. And if you don't, and you don't remember, you're gonna have a hard time. So let me group them again. All right. You can also name your costumes. Yeah. So let me save it. Let me name it comic book template. Then so now let me share it. Alright. Wait, scene side. I need to make it go to 0, 0. Or is it 0, 0? Or how about, yeah, I'm lagging a bit because my OBS, yes, you guessed it, I use OBS, but OBS like makes it lag. So I try my best to make it stop, to make it not lag. Yeah. Alright, so you can copy my template. Why is it taking forever? Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It means a lot. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and that like button. Also, don't forget to turn on the notifications bell when you want to see my upcoming videos, live streams. No, not really. My live streams, like, I'm gonna start doing live streams when I have like over 50 subs, when I'm a good YouTuber, and when I have over 100 videos. So I need to get prepared for live streams. I'm just a bit nervous. Anyways, feel free to remix this. That will be in the link in the description below. And you can make your own comic out of it. Remember, if you want one of these pillar things, don't forget to get the whole thing. Don't forget to get the whole thing, ungroup it, copy this, make it shorter, add it, duplicate this, and then you're off to go making your own comic. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye. Oh, and happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Bye.